Today you will learn how to multiply fractions and whole numbers. After you watch this video and copy the problems on your paper, you'll be ready to complete the Khan Academy assignment with the same title. Problem 1, 5 times 1/8. Remember that multiplication is repeated addition. So that means that 5 times 1/8 means 5 1/8. So we will add 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. 5 times 1/8 means 5 1/8. There are 5 of them, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We're going to use a bar model to illustrate this. You might consider using a ruler or line paper to do this. To make eighths, we make halves first by pointing. Don't put your finger across, put your finger underneath. And then we'll split each half in half to make fourths. And then we'll split each fourth in half to make eighths. At the end, check to be sure they're all about the same size. And then there are 8 of them. There are. At this point, you might want to pause the video so you can catch up. It's very important that you copy and work all these problems on paper. If you don't, you will not learn it as well as if you do. Okay. 5 1/8 means 1/8 5 times. So I'm going to shade in 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and 1/8. I have shaded in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths. So our answer is 5 eighths. 5 1/8 is 5 eighths. Problem number 2. Two times 5 twelfths. Multiplication is repeated addition. So I'm going to add 5 twelfths 2 times. 5 twelfths plus 5 twelfths. 2 times 5 twelfths means 2 5 twelfths, or 5 twelfths plus 5 twelfths. I'm going to make a bar model to illustrate this. If you were in my class in January or February, you learned the formats for making all of these bar models. So you know that for making twelfths, we start making thirds, 2 fingers, make them the same length like that. We split our bar model into thirds. We split each third in half. And now we have sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we split each 6 into 2 parts to make twelfths. This one is split in half. If you are behind, you should pause the video to catch up. I know I'm going fast in order to make the video shorter. We will label them. This is a good time to pause. Okay. I'm going to use crayons so I can keep track. You could use crayons also, or you could consider using colored pencils, or just a regular pencil if you don't have colors, that's fine. I'm going to use purple for this first 5 twelfths. Actually, I guess it's more blue, huh? 5 twelfths will be purple. I'm going to shade it in. There's 1, 2, 3. You don't have to use colors, but I find it useful to keep track. 4, 5. There's 5/12. That is blue. I'll use red for the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I have shaded in a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 twelfths. I have shaded in 10 twelfths, and that is my answer to this problem. 5/12 plus 5/12. I have 5/12. I have 5/12. 10/12. 2 5/12 is 10/12. Okay, we'll do one or two more examples. Here is example number 3. It's very important that you copy these because if you do, you'll be much better off than if you don't. Here is example 3. Example 3 is 3 times 3/4. Let's say you have 3 people. Each person is eating 3/4 of a candy bar. How many candy bars will they need? Well, let's do addition first. Multiplication is repeated addition. Here's 3/4. Here's 3/4 again. And again. 3 times 3/4 means 3 3/4. We'll use a bar model. We'll split our bar model into fourths. Halves first, of course. Then we'll split each half in half to make fourths. I will label them. And for my first of the 3 3/4, I will use blue. And I will color in 3/4. You might want to pause so you can catch up. There we go. My next 3/4, I need another bar model to make that because I only have 1/4 left here. So I will make another bar model. Same size, make them start and end at the same spot. There we go. These are 1/4. They're fourth because there are 4 of them in a hole. Okay. I will use red for my second of the 3 3/4. And I will shade in using red. 1. Can't forget that one. 2, 3. So I shaded in 3/4 and 3/4. So I've used 2 of the 3/4 so far. One more. So far you've eaten about 1.5 candy bars. One more. I'll use green. Oh, I don't have enough. I need to get another candy bar. I'll put that one right here. Same size as the other ones. In halves, and then in fourths. And that one is going to be the green one. I'll shade in 1, 2, 3/4. So see, all we've done here is we've added 3/4 there, 3 more fourths here, and then 3 more fourths there. 3 3/4. Let's find out what it is. We're going to count our fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9/4. We have used 9/4. And that is an improper fraction because the top number is greater than the bottom number. We could write this also as a mixed number. how many holes? There are 2 holes. This is a hole. This is a hole. And there is 1 more fourth. These are both correct ways to add our answer. 9/4 or 2 1/4. On a computer, you'll write it like this. 9 / This button is the button where the question mark is. Or you can write it like this. For the mixed number, 2, then a space, and then 1 / 4. 2 and 1/4. 9/4 equals 2 and 1/4. Practice saying that a few times. 9/4 equals 2 and 1/4. Oops, I want to make sure you can see it. There we go. 9/4 equals 2 and 1/4. 2 and 1/4. The and is not seen, but it's here. And 2 and 1/4. Okay? Okay. Enjoy.